Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. Look what we have. We have cleaning tools. Do you know what cleaning tool this is? We dip it in a bucket and then we squeeze the water out. This is a mop. It washes the floor. It cleans the floor very well. Mop. Do you know what this is? A broom. We use this to sweep the floor when it's dirty. And then when we finish sweeping, we use a little dustbin. We use this little brush and this dustbin to pick up the rubbish. This is a sponge. We use this to clean our dishes when they're dirty. A sponge. What about this? It's a duster. We use this to dust the table or furniture. We can clean walls with it. You can clean tables with it and many other dusty places. A duster. A little brush and a dustbin. A sponge. A broom. And a mop. We have a lot of cleaning tools. Do you like to clean? You can help your mommy and daddy clean up when you make a mess. That's very helpful. Thank you so much for learning about different cleaning tools with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.